Trust, a key word for supply chains delivering vaccines around the world. Every partner along the supply chain has to be trusted to ensure the quality and accuracy of vaccines. And when it comes to critical coding and labeling, one supplier has earned that trust: Domino. We are proud to be selected as a preferred provider and take the trust our clients place in us very seriously, dedicating significant resources to research and development, education, and security, built on the goal of providing assurance to those who need it most. From product to pallet, applying the right information on the right product at the right time is critical for traceability throughout the supply chain, bringing confidence to every partner, manufacturer, and person we affect. From around the world to your door, Domino is a key partner in the life sciences industry, working to bring us all a better tomorrow. When coding matters, trust in Domino.